What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video. I bring you here to show you this giant mess that I have right here. I guess it's kind of cool. This right here is a 20B out of a Cosmo. I don't know if any of you know what that is, but man, it's a cool looking car. That's about as much credit as I'm gonna give it. But yeah, it's a sick car for sure. This is Heath's. Literally, I don't know, 12 years ago, 15 years ago, maybe drove down, picked up a front clip for a Cosmo, and he's had it ever since. And now it's here. So I think he's trying to get this swapped into an FD. He was trying to do a compression check, but now we got to take this clutch off right here. That's also pretty expensive, not gonna lie, but that's gonna be a fun thing right there. But I don't know if any of you guys ever seen a 20B. It's basically 13B would be two of these, and then a 20B would be one more rotor. So it's a trace rotor, 3 Doritos. But yeah. Anyways, guys, this isn't Rotary Vlogs, this is Honda Vlogs, so I kind of want to get out here before I lose a little bit of daylight and actually swap the valve cover on the B20 that was made. I think you guys saw in the last video. Man, it's bright out, but I think you guys saw in the last video. I'm going to use the splatter one because the splatter one is made for a B20. It's got the Honda Motor Co. shaved off, so it looks really slick, and I want to put it on this B20 right here. Shout out to Ego Killer Garage on Instagram. All his work that he does there, props to you, man. But like I said, boom, that right there, that is why we're trying to swap this valve cover. It's just terrible, really. Yeah, loosen up all these bolts. All you guys know, I'm gonna reuse the gasket and the cylinder plugs because these don't leak, and every time I've taken this gasket off, it's actually pretty healthy. So let's just go ahead and speed through this and get all these taken off. Okay, so motor actually looks really good, not gonna lie. It's really golden, a little toasty in there. You know, it's missing a new little valve cover right here. Boom. Here, I'll set this nicely on top. Yeah, buddy. That looks fucking legit, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's super bright. Not hopefully, but it is super bright. But you guys can check that out. Cool. All right, reverse. Like I said, I'm gonna take everything off there, put it on that guy, slap it on, and then we'll check this out in a minute. Hell yeah, guys. All right, so indoors now. Gonna go ahead and try to clean up some of this engine bay stuff. All of this is really dirty, all the wiper cowl stuff, so definitely want to get that kind of taken care of before I cover that with my cowl here. Right here, this is an OG, triple OG, had this for a really long time, carbon fiber cowl. It's what I used to have on the Del Sol, and I used to have a carbon fiber hood. I still have the hood at my parents' house, but it has a fat lay crack down the middle and stuff like that. But I could probably clean that up for the most part and re-clear it, probably, you know, get the crack visually out and stuff. I need to get arrow catch pins basically back, put all that together, but it was sick because I had carbon fiber cowl onto hood, looked pretty dope. Halfway through this, I was like, oh, I should probably show my work, right? So earlier we saw how this was kind of faded. I found a 1500 grit like sanding little block here, have the water, and I just started wet sanding just this little area, and it kind of looked all right, but kind of looked a little messed up. But like, I'm just gonna do this little section right here. I've got some carnauba wax, a fresh orange. I should have went with black, but I might do with orange because I want to like kind of cut through this. So as I'm doing this, I'm just kind of wet sanding, different motions, left and right, up and down, circle. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, it looks better than before already, but this area right here, I can still tell like there's a little shininess, and then this is dull, and then that might be wet. I can probably hit those over. I think I actually glued these on years ago like a dummy, but like whatever. Hit this whole area, and then when I spray it, it actually looks crispy. It looks super nice, right? So I'm not too deep, and I don't want to go too deep, but when I dry it all up, it's still kind of shiny foggy around here, and then in here it's just kind of like faded. But before, it looked like there was actually a layer of like forget what it's called, but you know what I'm saying. So I got rid of that, and now we're actually getting to the clear coat. So hopefully I can hit that around, and then we can get to just buffing the entire thing. All right. Yo, okay, so I let the wax chill on there for a little after, we went over it, let it chill for a little. I don't know what I'm doing, but I let it go. I chilled for a while, and when I buffed it out, it was kind of cool because you actually got to see it. It looks really good. It'll probably look way better in the sunlight. You guys can tell this area came out super good. It's super shiny. Yeah, super excited. That's like 5 supers right there. Don't mind the dirty, it's always dirty, but that's what it looks like. Carbon fiber peeking out the top right there. Yeah. Alright guys, that concludes getting the cowl on. I'm really excited. But yeah, coming together. The whole reason I needed to do this is because it's starting to be a little spotty outside, raining, it's hit or miss. It's doing a lot better now, but it was kind of earlier, so I wanted to make sure that I got that buttoned up so I can get the wipers, so if I do go out there and it rains and I take this home and I just want to drive it to the shop, I got that. I'm not too crazy. I'm not gonna be driving out there with no wipers. I know it looks way clean, but like, I don't want to be that hardcore, bro. That kind of hardcore is like dangerous. Looking good. That's coming next. Stay tuned for that, guys. This is getting paint matched to that, so at least it flows. That's really starting to bother me. These wheels, I got different wheels in the garage. Probably not going to run them, but I want to put these tires on a different set and then go from there. Don't worry about that. Interior, boom. Interior's looking good. It's kind of in. Want to vacuum that, get that looking good, and then wash the car. And then most likely once I wash the car, I'm gonna head over to my buddy's DJ's house. Probably not in this video, but later we're gonna do a full detail on the entire car. Hopefully make it look really nice. DJ's the one with the NSX. His car is always looking pristine. My car's always looking hurt, but together, and I'm more of together. But you know, if he can help me not look hurt and together, then we're winning. All right, off to the next thing. Yeah, all right guys, well, it is 8 o'clock at night. I think, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. 8:26. We took on too many cars, so I have to take the Soul on a maiden voyage at 8:30 at night. Car's pretty much together though. I heard some rattles. I think it might just be a fender, but we'll find out. Seems to be going all right. Added some air in the tires, but yeah, guys, this is how it rolls. You know what I mean? 8 o'clock at night. Haven't driven the car in long time, so we're gonna try to take it home. I gotta drive it on the freeway. Usually there's always traffic really right now too for some reason because they're working on the freeway, but all right, let's see how this goes. All right, we're on. Cool lights. Roll up the windows and first gear, fucking just get out of here. Hell yeah. Alright guys, I'll check in when I'm home. Yeah, so had to pull over. Started fucking super overheating. I'm just in some neighborhood right now, but you can kind of watch this go down while I'm on it. And my reservoir, my overflow is steaming. I don't think my fan is turning on. And I got a check engine light while I was on the freeway, so yeah, might have to take the, I don't know if driving on the freeway is a good idea or just doing the back roads, but we got to get home, boys, so fucking cross your fingers. Here we go. Alright, we're rolling and it's going down, but I don't know. It's getting sketch out here, guys. Hopefully we make the freeway. I don't know if the freeway's good or not, but we're about to find out. Hey, straight up, these wipers are doing absolutely nothing. I had to pull off on the side of the road. Fan's not turning on. Jiggled my harness for a little bit. Now I don't even have a thermostat. So I just said, we're gonna have to send this. Check engine light. I don't know what that is yet. I shut the car off, turned it back on to see if it would just go away. Thought maybe it'd just be a shit O2 sensor. When I turned it on, it was like brrr, and then it turned on. The lights flickered, so I was like, oh man, it's gotta be a bad ground somewhere. But it turned on and I was like, we gotta go. Yeah, not that. I got the heater on blessed. My harness is done, guys. It's just, I touched something and I probably lost my thermostat or at least my fan. It's just, you know what I'm saying? I lost that shit. So, yeah. Almost home, though. Almost home, guys. The car runs great, though. So, I'm going off the fact that I know my car. I know Honda's. The bottom hose isn't on fire. The top one is. So, that's kind of, you know, that's kind of expected. But, yeah. If I didn't know this car or just cars in general, it's driving really good. No hesitation. Maybe the clutch is slipping, I don't know, but it's pouring rain. Wipers ain't doing nothing for me, but hopefully I make it home. Yeah. Yo, what's cracking, guys? Next morning, made it home. Soul made it home, but I don't know, dude, but there's so much I gotta check now. I gotta check my coolant, thermostat, my thermo switch. Like, there's just so much. I have no idea if what's wrong with it, but we made it home and it's super fun to drive. I'm hell of excited. So hopefully the next video I let you in on like what could have happened. Sorry to leave you on a cliffhanger, but I even got to figure it out, so it's a cliffhanger to me. But Soul runs, drives, took it home, gonna take it back to the shop, do a little bit more work, bleed it again apparently, maybe get not a really cheap thermostat, see how that goes. But anyways, guys, smash that like button if you're super excited that the Del Sol runs, and let me know in the comments if you guys want to see some POV video. I found my GoPro, I got it connected, so that literally could happen. See you guys in the next one.